Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how to generate video proxies on another computer. Why would you do that? Imagine you want to work on the go, you have a laptop, not so powerful, you have all the files there, and then the editing is laggy and you want to work fast. So the cool thing with that program is you can install a server which will do the transcoding, and so your laptop is free to start editing, and then Resolve is smart enough to detect when a proxy is added, and so basically all the computing power and the requirement is going to be offloaded to another computer. That computer, you have full control over it. It can be a big PC you have at home. It can be your office desk PC. It can be on the cloud. It can be everywhere. Just the good thing is it's just not going to eat the battery you have on your laptop, and it's going to process this file much faster, and you are going to free up so much resources that will be able to work straight away on the original file waiting for the proxy to arrive. So we are going to talk about how to set up the server, and just a full disclaimer, that project is my own creation, so I know it by heart. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and I will answer them. So basically, you have a media engine servers, so that's going to do the transcoding, and then you have the remote proxy generator, which is the what you will install on the PC to generate those, to send basically the proxy files. So here today we're going to talk about the media engine server mostly, because I already talked about the remote proxy generator before on another video. And so I'm going to show you when basically you have media engine server, the version, then it's for the OS and the architecture. So mostly, for example, here we are on Windows and we are on an IMD 64, so a classic Windows computer. So I'm going to download that. I will have a file. In that file, there will be an executable, which is a command line tool. And that's what I want to explain to you today. It's really easy, really easy. Don't be scared. Just the idea about why it's a command line tool is because that media engine server can run on a laptop, it can run on a desktop, it can run on Linux, it can run on a NAS, it can run in the cloud. So just the most portable way of sharing code is the command line tool. So I'm going to show you really the basic. It's really basic how you can run that media engine server. So you can open a terminal, you type PowerShell on Windows, then you are right now in C user stuff. So I extracted already the engine media server zip in a in a place on my computer. So I'm going to change directory. So CD change directory, and then I'm going to put it to type program, because it's the path to that where I put the executable, and then media engine server. I'm going to click enter. I'm now in that directory. I'm going to list the files in that directory, ls list. And so you can see I have a file, an executable called media engine server.exe. So I'm going to type media engine servers.exe, and if I run it right now, it's going to run the server with the default option. I can specify another port if I want to, but I don't have to, but I can put, for example, -p space 8080, and then the server will run on the port 8080 if you already have something running already on the port 80. But I'm going to run the server, and you can see the date, the hours, and the server is listening on port 80. So right now, that PC has been transformed in a transcoding machine. You can also use it, obviously, just don't close that terminal. And now I can use the laptop I have to connect to it and see basically and make that PC transcode the file for me. So I'm going to, just so you know, same, I'm going to type PowerShell. Then now I'm going to type ipconfig, and it's going to list the different network um, settings. And the important thing is IP4 address, and you can see my IP is 182.168.0.30 on that local network. And so now every time I'm on that local network, if I type that IP on my client, I'm going to send files to that server. The file will be transcoded, and the file transcoded will be sent it back to the client so it can be used by Resolve. Resolve will automatically detect proxy has been added to the files, and it will start using them straight away, making the process super smooth, because you can just say, hey, I have that laptop, really powerful PC on at home or at work. I'm going to use it. Now I can still edit, and as soon as I have the file back, Resolve will use it, and the operation and the editing will be even more smooth. So that's the goal of that program. And yeah, basically you can imagine a lot of different configuration. That server can be on a PC at work. You just VPN, so you are connected to the same network, then enter the IP. You can put that server in the cloud. You can put it, I mean, there's a lot of different configuration. You can put it also on a NAS. So you send file to the NAS. The NAS will transcode the file and send it to you back. There's a lot of different configuration you can think of. It's really flexible, and I hope it helps you just doing the editing much faster. Okay, so I hope it helps you, and I hope you understand that the command line part, the setting up of the command line tool, is really not that hard. And I hope you have fun editing. See you guys.